Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iPhone overheating during charging and playing gaming. An overheating iPhone, or for that matter any device, especially if that device contains a rechargeable battery, is no joke. Prolonged high temperatures can cause glitches and crashes, damage internal components, drain the battery and permanently shorten the battery lifespan. So in this video I'll tell you some solutions, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is excessive usage. If you are using your iPhone for heavy processing tasks like playing high-end games, streaming, using graphic intensive applications, or recording videos for an extended period, this can cause your phone to heat. So you should slow down on your iPhone usage and you are done. And the next step is software update. A lot goes on during and after installing an update, and tasks such as indexing photos can consume a lot of processing power, which in turn can temporarily cause the device to heat up. Things should return to normal within a few days of installing an update. So you should wait for the iPhone to finish its background task. If problem persists, then it's likely a bug in the update and the solution is going to have come from Apple in the form of another update. For this, go to settings and choose general option and choose software update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available, then tap on update now and update the latest version of iPhone and you are done. Next, I'm gonna tell you about malfunctioning apps. It is not unusual for apps to have bugs or issues that cause them to use more power than necessary. This could result in the phone overheating even when not directly using the app. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down and choose battery option. Next, scroll down. Tap on show activity. If you see any app that consumes more power than necessary, then you should delete that app and you are done. And also you should take care of physical environment. Extreme environmental temperatures, both hot and cold, can cause an iPhone to overheat. Apple advises avoiding the use of the device when temperatures are outside of the range of 0 to 35 degrees Celsius. So do your best to keep the iPhone within its operating temperature of 0 to 35 degrees Celsius and you are done. I hope this video will help you to fix your issue of iPhone overheating during charging or playing games. And also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.